everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about the house of Zwide. Well guys, when it comes to fashion empire, Zwide doesn't care if you're a family or not. He worked very hard to build the house of Zwide. Nkosi went behind his father's back and renewed the village contract. Actually, Nkosi was just acting in the best advantage of the company, foreseeing that if he don't sign, their family business will be bankrupt. Nkosi has a faith support, and that alone is enough to be in the good books. What will happen is one of the village family member will come at the Zwide's house to celebrate the contract renewal, and that how Funani will find out. He will see Nkosi as a sellout and kick him out of the family home and also in the house of Zwide. What Nkosi ever wanted was to see the family business grow. Because he had faith in his side, she would definitely put in a good word to her husband. Guys, it seems as if all Zwide's children are misbehaving, guys, starting with Ona and Zanele. This is all I have for today. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.